Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Workspace for AI Assistant automations, full guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing Google Workspace for AI Assistant automations, begin by navigating to your Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account associated with your Google Workspace. Once logged in, create a new project by selecting the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. Click on New Project and enter a name for your project. After naming your project, click Create. Next, enable the necessary APIs. In the left sidebar, navigate to APIs and Services. Click on Library to access the API library. Search for the Google Workspace APIs you need, such as Google Drive API or Google Sheets API. Select the desired API from the list and click Enable. After enabling the APIs, move to the Credentials section in the left side. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen by providing the necessary fill in the required fields, including application name and support email. Choose External for user type if your application will be used outside your organization. After configuring the consent screen, return to the Credentials section. Select OAuth Client ID. Choose the application type based on your automation needs, typically web application. Enter a name for the OAuth 2.0 client. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add any redirect URIs that will be used during authentication. Click Create to generate your OAuth client ID and secret. Make a note of your client ID and client secret for later use. Now, configure the service account for more advanced automation needs. In the left sidebar, navigate to I am an admin, click on Service Accounts. Select Create Service Account. Click Create to proceed to the Permissions section. Assign the necessary roles that your automation requires, such as editor or viewer. Click Continue and then Done. Locate your newly created service account and click on it. In the service account details, navigate to Keys and select Add Key. Choose JSON as the key type. Download the JSON key file to your local system. Your Google Workspace is now authorized for AI Assistant automations. Implement the generated credentials in your automation scripts. Authenticate your AI Assistant using the OAuth Client ID and secret, or the service account key as needed. Follow the integration guidelines specific to your AI Assistant. Make sure to test the automation thoroughly in your environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.